Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Well, in the last video you saw us going to get some tea, and it was 2 for 1. So what am I having for breakfast? Yeah, you got it, I'm having pizza. Yeah, we got a lot of it left as well. There's loads, so much pizza you wouldn't believe. Bit of a pizza overdose really. Anyway, what are we doing today? We're going to go to the cable car, which is takes us over to a little island just off what do they call it?
Vinpearl.
Eh?
Vinpearl Island.
Vinpearl Island, there you are. I can't remember. My brain is going to a heated mush at the moment. Vinpearl Island. It's a bit like Staten Island. If you've seen the Lost Boys film, it's apparently a bit like that. We'll find out, won't we? See if it really is like that. So I'm going to finish my pizza, have some water, and me and V will head off up that way. V's been a little bit poorly in the evening, but you
When I'm feeling poorly.
don't feel but she's feeling a little bit better now, so hopefully she's gonna be a lot better. Gonna look after her as well, haven't we? Anyway, let's get on.
We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures.
Well, we've booked our grab car and we're just waiting for it to turn up now. 791218 apparently. Grab really works so well. So we're in a grab again, and it is so much easier if you want to get around. I mean, bikes are brilliant if you're confident enough, and sometimes the towns are quiet enough. This one's quite chaotic at times, so we've decided we're just going to take it easy and get a grab and get over there. They turn up within minutes. Well, here we are. I'm not going to do much talking at the moment because there's lots of music playing. When it's busy, look at this queuing system.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good.
Well, we're on the cable car, and looking in that direction, you can see pretty much the islands. You can see the Ferris wheels that were left there. I presume this is going to be a bit like Sentosa, a bit like Staten Island.
Reach out to the sky. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all.
From your cabin, glide over the Gulf of Tonkin on the world's longest over-the-water cable car. An unforgettable 3.3 kilometre journey from Nha Trang to your island escape.
Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. My way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. My way, my way.
Welcome to Vinpearl, Nha Trang, perched on the Hontre Island. This spectacular complex is quite literally a pearl on the crown of the Sea Queen.
I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay.
So you can see it's this is very much aimed at children, the whole site.
And if you've got children, this is going to be the perfect place to bring them. We're children at heart. Surprisingly here, the prices are really good. You know, captive audience, the prices go right up, but that looked to be similar prices to the mainland, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, coffee there, 25. Whether you're teeing off for the ocean views, indulging in spa luxury, or dining on fresh seafood, Vinpearl Nha Trang wraps relaxation, adventure and elegance into one unforgettable experience. Vinpearl is far more than a resort. It's a vast complex offering luxurious hotels, an amusement park, golf course, spa, wellness centres and multiple accommodation options including city centre hotels and island retreats. Not only that, it has an entire shopping complex as well. Well, we've come into yet another market. Same but different. Summer. Well, V's been hankering after coconut coffee after we received loads of it up in Hanoi. Hoi An as well, didn't we?
Not really. Point.
Just Hanoi. So luckily, we've actually found a little like booth here that's got coconut coffee. So we're hoping maybe we'll see more of it when we get down to the Ho Chi Minh City area tomorrow.
These are. They taste really nice, but the ones that we were having in Hanoi had ice cream in. They were a bit more like a frappe. This is just iced coffee with some coconut flavouring in, but it's still very nice.
Yeah. Here we are later on in the day. We come back from the island. To be honest, wasn't really our thing. I think if you've got kids, though, you'd really enjoy it. This afternoon, we've done nothing really. V's still not been very well. Although she's better now, she's looking at me from behind the camera now, and she's looking a lot better. She's smiling in, so things are good. We're planning on going out in a minute, have a few drinks and some food. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? She can still have beer. However, we're off to Ho Chi Minh City tomorrow, mate. I just got an email from a place we booked yet again, telling me, sorry, we have a problem with your room, and therefore we'll move you to a different hotel. Well, the hotel they were going to move us to is in a totally different area. Well, we didn't want that, so we've had to cancel it and quickly look through some other hotels, and we booked another one. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to be okay. I mean, I don't think anything's going to be as good as this place. It's just been amazing, hasn't it? Way it goes. But we'll go on out, we'll have a bit of food, and then we got a bus tomorrow to Ho Chi Minh City, which is about 7 hours, V?
I think so.
She thinks so. So it's about 7 hours, so I'm not going to settle down thinking I've got 4 hours this time and not go sleep. So that's what we're going to do in a minute. By the way, we had a lovely swim earlier on as well in the sea. The beach is lovely, isn't it? Absolutely.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I'm just going to turn around.
Not much rubbish on the beach. I thought it was pretty clean, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously it's a few bits, but bits of rubbish everywhere.
Compared to what we've seen.
I thought it was really.
Yeah.
I think the whole place actually is pretty clean. You know, I mean, this is supposed to be a developing country as well, so it's far cleaner than some places in Europe I've been to.
Yeah.
So, yeah, 10 out of 10 for cleanliness for Vietnam.
There you go. Gets visa approval. Right, well, we're out on the beer. Well,
a beer, going out for a few beers. We're heading to a bar that was recommended by one of our friends. So it better be good. Richie.
I'm just self-medicating. So.
Yeah, V's just self-medicating. Been here all day, but now she's got fine. I said beer. Oh, look at her.
Beer.
She was right up and ready. Yeah. So this is a recommendation from a mate of ours called Richie, and well, we'll see if it's any good, won't we? He's normally pretty good at the bars, though.
Yeah, if anybody knows bars of the
Yeah.
world, you should buy a book, Richie.
Yeah, yeah, bars of the world by
He knows
Richie.
all the prices and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a good idea, Richie.
I want commission on that one then, because we've just come up with the idea. You just write
Be
it.
affiliates for I do, right?
Yeah, it feels like a different street altogether. This does.
Yeah.
Well, the street we're on now, we were on the first night, but the bar we're going to wasn't open. So there you are. You can see it just in front of me there to the right. Cheers. Well, that's Cheers Bar. Well, that was Cheers Bar. Sport bar, showing Australian and European sports, really. And MTV or something on one of his screens. Nice bar. Well, we've come into a restaurant, and I read a little story today that there was going to be solar flares causing power disruption, and there you are. V's like aiding the light. So yeah, I read today that there's going to be some solar flares that are going to cause disruption and to power grids around the world. And lo and behold, we've had a power cut. So we're just coming to some food. I can't even tell you what the name of the place because I can't even see it. But we left that Cheers Bar, come here, thought we could have some food because we walked past it earlier on, it looked pretty good. And we're in this situation now where we're in a power cut, but it's not all the...
Golden bamboo, it's called.
It's the golden bamboo, sorry, I can only see your light.
Golden bamboo.
Oh. How childish is she?
Oh, you want to have a go, didn't you?
Yeah, I do, I want to go. So basically, it's not that everywhere though. If you look, you can see there's power at the extremities here. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. All a bit of fun, isn't it? Adds to
It'll be cold for a while, won't it?
the beer will be cold for a while. That's very true. I'm going to go out in the street a minute, and well, some buildings have got light, as you can see. So it's not everywhere, but it's a large proportion. Building next door to us has got power. When you come back in here, there's no power though. So here we are. We have ambience. Mind you, when I started singing Happy Birthday, they wanted to kick me out. Well, we're back at the room. Power went off in the shop we were in after we left the restaurant, and you can see a big area over there that's in blackout, and it's strange. There's lights in between that's like working okay. Now, everywhere else seems to be okay. But I was joking with Ian. I said, "You imagine we sat up here and we should just watch it all just like slowly go dunk, 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 dunk." Everything go off. So then V started going on about her Walking Dead moment. She said, well, what are you going to do if it's Walking Dead? What are you going to do? What weapon are you going to use? And what you're going to how are we going to get food? So I said, well, I've got some gaffer tape with us. So I said I'll probably break the table up and make it into some sort of sword and then smash the top to make some sort of blade. on the end of it, which V thought was very good. So then V's asking me where we're going to get food. So
I know where you're going to get us food, because
we're-
I'm staying in here crying.
oh, okay. So then the question comes, how do we get food? Well, I decided there's water probably in the staff cleaning room, and there's clean towels as well. And V said that's really important because she needs clean towels every day. So
You never know.
we got clean towels and we got clean water. We've thought about that. Now food is a different matter because it's a long way down, and if all the power's gone, there's no lifts.
I've got half a bag of popcorn.
You got half a bag of popcorn.
I'm not sharing it though, sorry.
I've got some beer. That's going to be gone by tonight. So it's how do we get food? And there's plenty of shops down there, but you got to venture down, and you. We're fools. We're really
It'll be a
fools.
good time to go on a diet, Mark.
Yeah, we both decided that we've probably got enough to last us like a week, if not more.
We can ration the half bag of popcorn.
Half a bag of popcorn to 2 popcorns a day.
4 of those little biscuits, tiny biscuits. I think we've got 4 slices of pizza left in the fridge.
Oh yeah, we saw the pizza, we
Packet
didn't.
mince.
A couple of packets of mints, yeah.
I think we can probably spread it out.
Yeah,
Got enough for a week.
we got enough for a week. And we're in a pretty commanding position up here because you could see what was actually happening down there, couldn't you? So we could look down through there and see how it's going on. And hopefully the waves of zombies would like move away. They'd move to a different area and that would give us more time to get down there and do stuff. Yeah, I think we're being a bit foolish. Yeah. So that's what do you mean no?
Well, many a time Hazel and I have had these conversations. You need to be prepared, don't you, Hazel? I don't know if Hazel watches this video. Hazel's gonna have a sword because Hazel is like Bichon at the end
Okay, right.
with her lady balls.
I think I'll need a bike
Yeah. Oh, I've done your bikes.
and a bow and arrow.
Yeah.
That'll be it.
It's a good choice.
Yeah, because you can move around the streets pretty quickly, especially when there's no traffic down there. It'd be easy. Anyway, we're being fools, aren't we? We really are being fools. Tomorrow we're off to Ho Chi Minh City, and we're in a sleeper bus. I think I've told you that already anyway. But if you've got this far in the video and you're still like sticking with us, wondering what the hell we're doing, thanks. And we will see you in the next video. But if you've been watching this video and even this last little bit has made you snigger a little bit at our mentality, you know, the lack of our mentality, give us a like, and hey, subscribe to the channel as well, because it really helps the algorithm and it helps us as well. But apart from that, it's bye from me and it's bye from V. Look after yourselves, guys. See you later. Bye.
We're the walking dead. We're the